Stock market investors have booked a whopping 50,000 crore rupees in net profits in the last 4 years just on Zerodha. That's right, and according to Zerodha CEO Nithin Kamath, another 1 lakh crore is lying as unrealized profits in the investors' account. So how have these profits really impacted the lives of investors on ground? Birsha Haldar is a merchant navy captain. He spends 6 months in sea every year away from his family. He started sailing in 2002 and by 2011 he had built a decent savings corpus. Instead of buying a flat and paying EMI, he thought he wanted to take a stab at the stock markets.
A game changer for me was probably how when internet started coming on the ships. That gave me an opportunity in my spare time to learn about investing. I read a lot of blogs, YouTube videos. I feel personally stock picking is overrated. When you can pick a stock, but what really matters is how much money you put into it. And I was able to put a large amount of money with respect to my net worth. The reason being, I did not have any loans. I did not have any EMIs to pay. I always lived life below my means. So I could invest a big part of my net worth in the stocks. 2018 small cap crash, then 2020 COVID crash. I could remain invested without panic, without fear. And then market turned and I got rewarded handsomely. One needs to be patient. One needs to read a lot. One needs to understand the companies they invest, sector they invest. And when they find a good runway business, a good stock which can really go on multifold, you need to invest a lot of money. Markets and big profits give you the independence to do what you want, to change your life, to live a life that you want to live and not you have to live.
Although he is not able to track his exact portfolio returns, he says it has done exceedingly well in the last 4 years. According to his Zerodha console, his portfolio generated a return of 115%. Now he's able to pursue expensive hobbies like wildlife photography, scuba diving, taking pictures of underwater species and other such activities. He also bought a Ford Endeavour worth 35 lakh rupees in 2021 after his portfolio recovered well from the COVID crash. Another such example is Casturi Sonap, who also made so much profit that she could actually take a break from her job and start a family. After working as an engineer for 3 years, she had decided to change track and pursue an MBA in finance. She got a placement right after in 2016, but she couldn't save much until the end of 2017 because she was repaying the loan that she had taken for her MBA. It was in January 2018 that she actually started investing back in stocks.
I was at around 12 to 13% per annum return when COVID hit in 2020 and my portfolio tanked. So I remember in March 2020, my portfolio had around 25 to 30 lakh of losses. It had near about half its size already. But I did not hesitate to make even more investment in the equity market. They say buy on dips, and I invested a lot during the COVID period. I had my FDs, I broke my FDs prematurely, and I invested a lot in the equity market during that phase. And in 2021, I had around doubled the corpus because market just shot up. And that was when I was nearing my 30s and I decided that okay, I am making enough from the stock market returns, so let me plan my family. So today I have a portfolio of around 1.5 plus CR, and out of which a major portion still is in equities. So in the future I plan to diversify more. I plan to invest in bonds. I've started doing it already. I think the market right now is a little bit overvalued and the bull run is going to stop at some point of time. So I am diversifying by investing in mutual funds. I also plan to invest a little bit into real estate. I plan to buy a house in the coming 3-4 years. So I am trying to save a corpus for the same by investing in FDs and in bonds.
There are many more such stories like Abishek D. He's just 27, but his portfolio is now worth 29 lakh rupees. Though he doesn't invest actively full-time, he keeps all his savings in 3 mutual funds: Mirai Blue Chip, Canara Robeco Large Cap and Nippon Small Cap Fund. But while these stories are inspiring, do keep in mind that bull markets do not sustain indefinitely, and investors who haven't seen a full cycle can suffer when they abruptly come to a halt.
There is no shortcut in the market. No newcomer can ever make money. Making money is different, but retaining that money is another thing. So until unless you complete one cycle, bull or bear market ka cycle, until unless you give all the exams, you can't say that you have passed the exam.
Investors should deploy their outsized gains sensibly, diversifying them in multiple assets to ensure that their finances are healthy and can sustain some downturns. Hope you enjoyed this video. For more such content, keep watching Mint.